Wonderful tennis started on Friday for the Billie Jean Cup, King Cup, and the Junior Davis Cup teams. That will go to Dominican Republic sometime in early March 4th to be exact. We had 6 girls competing for 2 spots. Alyssa James was given a free passage. And in the boys, they're played for 3 spots. We had 9 boys competing in 2 groups, Group A and Group B. The eventual winner of the groups was Parkinson. He topped Group B, and Group A was Daniel Moore, and they played, and eventual winner out was Parkinson. So he's the #1 player for the boys 2, and Cash Clark beat his brother, who was a runner-up in most of the groups, and he'll be the 3rd person on the team. In the girls, Savannah Taylor, 5 wins and no losses. Tough to beat, and I don't think maybe she dropped 1 set throughout the 3 days of competition, and Gabrielle Christian will be the #2 player on the team. All in all, it was a fantastic 3, very well competitive type of tennis, and we're just wrapping up here Sunday afternoon.
Okay. What's the process next? What take me through what's next for you from an administrative standpoint to prepare for that competition.
Well, now that the team is selected, I'm sure the national coach now will be taking over from here. And of course, there's a lot of eligibility forms and the nomination team forms. Those has to be sent out to the ITF for clearance if you have a dual citizenship and things of that nature. And I'm sure we'll have to appoint a coach. A ladies coach to go with the ladies team, and a man's coach to go with the boys team. So, and of course there'll be high level training to get them ready for the event, which